Making a Difference Incorporated is building the community back together, one brick at a time, with the Father and Kids basketball camp, the Cover Me Back to School rally, and the men's health screening.
Well, first of all, I'm excited to be a part of this. When I got wind about it, I said to myself, what can I do to be a part of the kids? And I got in touch with everybody, and they allowed me to be a part of this. I don't have any kids down here, but I volunteer because I want to be part of this energy. Can you feel the excitement? Even where you don't have fathers, we still men can be a part of these guys' lives. And that's what I want to be a part of.
It's very important for the entire family to be involved. Although our son, Mark Anthony, is in the program, we are here to support. My daughter is here as well, but she's not on camera right now.
And if you see us, we're a great example because it's the entire family. It's not just about me and my son. All of us are involved. And we try to be that way and be supportive in everything that they do.
Cover Me Back to School rally is where we come to celebrate another school year by praying for our families, our kids in the community, our administrative staffs, our businesses, and everyone's well-being in our community. Every year we just showcase talents of young people coming to just celebrate school. Every year we give out 760 bags of school supplies to our children in the community. And we just come to have a big celebration of another great school year and thanking God for all that He's done for our community.
There's two types of people that I usually see in the office. One type is the patient that comes in, hasn't been to the doctor in 10 years, and they're there for the first time. And they're there for the first time because they've seen blood in their urine, they're getting up 8 times at night, and that's the patient that likely has prostate cancer. And it's a totally different game then. It's a totally different treatment. A lot of patients die at that point because they have come too late. So this whole event, this whole consciousness raising is about coming early.
I've always gone in for checkups. That's been the lifestyle for myself, my family, all of my friends. I've heard things about African Americans don't always do that, but there is a group of us, a large amount of us, who always go in for those checkups. But even doing that, I wasn't aware that I had cancer at that time. And fortunately, going in for my annual checkup, I went with Dr. Mark White, and he did the digital test and all and said, we're not coming up with anything, Jerry, but in terms of detecting anything, but we do know that your blood count, in terms of your PSA in your blood, there is some concern there. So we followed up and did additional tests and then found out, in fact, that I did have prostate cancer and was in early stages.
1 out of every 6 men will develop prostate cancer in the United States. And our biggest defense is early detection and education. By seeing your doctor annually and having a very simple exam and blood test, this could save your life. Prostate cancer is the #2 cause of cancer death in the United States. Therefore, this is extremely important.
You know, there's a certain outfit that says it ought to be a part of the neighborhood. We're in the neighborhood, so let's take advantage. While you're jumping at the Savoy in the neighborhood, you need to jump to see your doctor, get that health care screen, and do it now.